Hey everyone, so we created new add-ons for Gohighlevel. One is bulk draft and publish all the workflows, and one is bulk delete all the workflows. So let me show you how it works. First, we'll open bulk draft and publish. So when you click on it, so you'll see all the workflows here. So when you click on the folder, it gives you all the workflow inside. So every workflow we have is draft folders. The workflow, we have one workflow outside. So for example, if I select all and make them publish, first let me show you draft ones. We drafts when I click on publish, no workflow is available. So I'll just go and select all and make them publish. Let's see what happens. It's processing. Let's see. So what we have, the all the workflows are published now. So that's a high level thing which shows workflows folder draft, but when you go inside, you'll see all the workflows are published now. Okay, so with just one click, you can publish all of your workflows. And for example, if I want to make them draft, I'll click on it all and make them draft. Let's see. All workflows are now draft. Let's go back and see. So when I open it, any all are draft now. Okay. So that's how we can work using it. So and then bulk delete now. Bulk delete, you can delete either entire folder, okay, and like this, or if you want to move inside and you want to delete only these workflows, just click on bulk delete and you'll see all the folders workflows right here inside the folder. So you can click all and then you can delete them from here. So this is the one. So for example, I want to delete this one. Okay, so or A to go here and I'll select A to B and then click here, and I'm deleting the entire folder, and it is deleting empty folder. So to here and here, there is no A to B folder now. So these are two add-ons I created, and these are really good.